It may be the dawn of a new season, but the rich history of high school football in the Rio Grande Valley can be seen and heard throughout our stadium. Early morning workouts and afternoon drills lead to this. The chance to shine under the Friday night lights. Week 1 starts with two teams soaring into a rivalry match. The Harlingen Cardinals are 25-5 in the legendary Bird Bowl. But the Harlingen Southhawks are looking for revenge after losing last year by 30 points. The 2023 season kicks off right now.